Good morning. Today, I want to briefly show the current state of development of the Cloudomation AI Assistant. So this is a chat interface that is still work in progress. So when it comes to, design and things like that, there is still some work to do, but I want to show what it currently can do. And what it can do is it knows Cloudomation Engine, so it knows features, it knows the Flow API, it can explain to you the user interface, how to use a wrapper, how to use the Git integration, how to write a flow script, how to debug a flow script so it can explain to you errors, it can explain to you what specifically a script does and things like that, which all of it is very useful. And let's do some very small examples. So for example, if I create a new flow, I can also make some room here in the UI. I can ask it to help me write a very simple hello world flow. Here we go. So what does it do? It replies. First, it gives me a small UML diagram even to explain the control flow of the script, which in this case is a bit of an overkill, but for more complex flows, this is very helpful. And then it actually gives me the script, which I can copy and paste. And from what it looks like, this should work. And it simply logs hello world. It also explains to me what it does. So let's run this and see if it actually does what it's supposed to do. It immediately returns because it doesn't really do anything. And yes, fantastically, it actually logged hello world. So just a very simple example, maybe something a bit more complicated. I have here a small flow script that it's a demo example flow script that, like the title says, gets a choke and then the weather. So it does 3 REST API connections to weather APIs and a choke API. And let's run this and let's see what happens. And oh my God, I get a value error. And it's not just, it's, oh my God, I don't even want to read this, right? So first I will create a ticket to improve this error message, but then also what do I do with this now? I can ask the chat to help me fix this. So it's context aware. So I don't need to tell it what I'm talking about. If I have this open in the user interface, it knows what I'm talking about, and it will take a look at the error and it will hopefully help me fix it. Okay, so failure comes from passing an invalid HTTP method to your REST connector. You've used get. Oh, apparently I have a typo. So let's take a look. Instead of one of the allowed values, which is get, post, etc., so the input schema rejects it, I can fix the typo, and then here it should actually display buttons. Like I said, still work in progress. So this first line already is much more helpful than this huge error message. Let's take a look. Get, here we go. I actually have 2 T's in my get. Let's save, let's run, let's see what happens. Success! Yay! So it actually worked. Jack Norris beer bongs tequila. And the weather in the central part is 22.8 degrees Celsius right now. Wonderful. So instead of, endlessly reading error messages and trying to find out what they actually mean, a very short chat helped me very quickly fix this. And this is, I think, one of the most valuable things of the chat. It can really help you very quickly find what you need to do in order to fix something, but also to change something or to extend something. That's it for today.